Oh. Okay, this is strange. There's a huge pillar here. And then we got Otis. This one. Let's see here.
Going down.
Let's see where we can go. Everything is locked. Nice.
Going down.
The same thing happened 4 years ago. Anyways.
Going down.
Alright, I figured out how to get this thing to work.
Level C. Going up.
If you want to know where I am, I'm literally at this weird spot. Oh, it gave us the other one.
Going up.
See, none of these will work except for this. These are Gen 2.
Level R. Going down.
This won't work either. Only R and C will work. Oh, it rings a bell too. Beautiful cats.
C. Going up.
Very weird setup. Alright, that's it.